This is a 2013 Acura RDX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice recognition, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, the AcuraLink satellite communication system with real-time traffic and real-time weather, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, LED backlit gauges, front multi-stage airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.